Alright, so I've had a student actually request this video, so I'm going to try and lay this out as simply as possible. Now, what I'm looking at is a very, very simple design. I'm going to break this down as simple as possible. This is going to be a template from Estes. Estes is going to be one of the main rocket producers. They got some really good templates. Like I said, this one just, it says 8 inches, but I've actually changed it for my own purposes. For my main project that you guys will be seeing later. What I do want to show is this right here. What you need to do to start your rocket project is this is as simple as it gets. I'm going to produce this one. I'm actually going to launch this one just to show how easy it can really be to do this. But here we got some popsicle sticks, right? Popsicle sticks. I got a measured cut to the length of this template, and then we're going to use this pen, of course, to measure it out, the glue to glue it together, and then we have the eventual, this is going to be the outer body of the rocket. Okay, like I said, just a paper towel roll, so nothing crazy so far, just scissors, of course, and then I'll show you the next step, of course, once it's dry. Alright, so the next step in this process, like I said, this very, very basic rocket, is going to be to apply the fins. So, this is going to be the simplest way you could do it. I took a pair of scissors, simply cut down the center of the line I've measured. Of course, you have 3 fins, so you want to make sure you have it, the diameter measured in thirds. So each one should be a third of the length from the other, because I'll still have a third one to add. But then what I'm going to do is I'm going to simply slide this in approximately the size. You can see I've been going about that much in on both sides. That's going to provide me enough room to fit the eventual engine mount that we're going to put in here as well. Again, this is going to be a very, very cheap rocket, very easy to put together, very simple. Again, I don't know how aerodynamic it'll be, but we'll see for sure. So I'm going to keep working on this, and then I'll show you the updates. Alright, it's not exactly pretty, but it is freestanding. So, like I said, it's going to be as basic as it's going to get, but I'm going to keep expanding on it. It's going to be pretty cool. Alright, revisiting history. Here we go. Alright, we're ready. Alright, we have Revisiting History Liberty rocket launch 006. Ready to roll? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so we saw something interesting there. Kind of did a loop and then dropped. Ignition plate intact. Landed about 50 meters, didn't lose the engine. Launched up about, I don't know, probably 20, 30 feet, and then came plummeting down. We did not get the ejection, and then, of course, we only got a very, very short amount of air time, so we're going to see how this next one does. I'm praying it'll do much better.